talk about two articles that relate to spina bifida. The first article is called Living with Spina Bifida in Infants. It's from the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention. It discusses open spina bifida. An open spina bifida is when the spinal cord is exposed and the doctor has to perform surgery to close it before birth or within the first few days of the infant's life. And it also talks about hydrocephalus. What is hydrocephalus? Hydrocephalus is extra fluid in the brain that causes the ventricles, which is the spaces, to become too large and the head will swell. So the second article we're going to discuss is called The Secret Life of Bees. These bees that we're discussing are vitamin B12, B6, and B9. There was research highlights performed that showed the importance of these vitamins. Now, let's get into the article. According to a study conducted in Ireland by Molly and colleagues, investigators analyzed stored blood samples collected between 1983 and 1990 from 1,179 women in their early weeks of pregnancy. None had taken vitamin supplements. In 171 cases, the women had given birth to children with neural tube defects. In 107, they had a history of giving birth to a child with a neural tube defect, which can be spina bifida. Now, the importance of these vitamin Bs, B12, a deficiency in B12 can raise a woman's risk of giving birth to a child with a neural tube defect, such as spina bifida. Studies show that insufficient levels of B9, which is folic acid, is a key factor in causing spina bifida and other neural tube defects of the spine and brain. Because spina bifida occurs in the first month of fetal development, it is very important to maintain a sufficient level of folic acid. When you think about it, most women don't know they're pregnant within their first month. This explains the importance of vitamin B9. Vitamin B6 helps maintain healthy brain function. It plays a key role in synthesizing antibodies that are needed to fight various diseases. And it also helps maintain a normal nerve function. So that concludes our news update for today. We're going to get back to spina bifida trivia.